All right. So here, Miranda, in this activity, okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So in this activity, Miranda, you will going to tell me the reasons why you haven't tried to buy a food from a food truck and to buy a street food before. So you will gonna tell me. So and then you will going to use this word inside the box. Okay, for example, I haven't tried to buy a food from a food truck because, and then you will going to tell me the reason why. Is it because you find it unhealthy, unhygienic, or is it because of the packaging? You don't like the packaging, or maybe the portion is too small. Okay, so you will going to tell me the reason why you haven't tried. Okay, a street food before using these words inside the box. So you will gonna construct a sentence using the words in the box. What is the Hmm? All right. Okay. Okay, Miranda, did you get the instruction? Hmm?
Not yet.
Okay. So here you will going to tell me, you will going to share what is the reason. The reason why why you haven't tried a street food. And then in this reason, you will going to use um words inside the box. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so you will going to construct a sentence, your reason why you don't like or why you haven't you tried to buy a food from a food truck and a street food. Okay. Just try it. Just you can give me one reason, one sentence only using the food, using the food, using the word inside the box. Okay, just try it. There is no wrong answer. You were just going to share. You said that you haven't tried a street food before. So what is the reason why? You said that you don't like it. What's the other reason? Hmm? What's the other reason?
It is because I think it's unhealthy.
Okay. You can complete your it's correct. Okay, you answered it correctly. But you can answer it by using haven't tried it. I don't like. Like I haven't tried or I don't like to buy street foods because I think it's unhealthy. Okay, can you try one more, Miranda?
I don't like to
Mm-hmm.
buy junk food because I don't like it and it's unhealthy.
Yes, it's unhealthy and I think it's unhealthy. Very good. Okay, so let's now move to the part two. Okay, quick steps to part two. Okay, can you read this for me, Miranda? Quick steps to part two. quickly mhm, quickly read
Quickly read the instruction and all the sentences, including any words after the gaps, including decide what type of information, example, a person, an object, a place you need for each gap. Wait to hear all the information about each point before you
before you
decide
decide
on your
your
answer.
answer. Okay. So this is a key points, a reminder. Okay, so before we proceed on this activity and our activity in activity 2, we should read the exam task first. Okay, you will hear a young man whose name is Dave Simpson. His name is Dave Simpson. Talking about selling meals from a food truck. Okay, for questions 1 to 10, you will going to complete the sentences with a word or short phrase. Okay, Miranda?
Okay,
Okay, let's try. Okay, number 1. In question 1, what kind of word probably goes after the? Okay, after the in number 1. What in question 1, what kind of word probably goes after the? What words you can add or you can fill in this gap to complete the sentence? There's no wrong answer. It's your own you will going to think what is the best answer in each blank or in each gap to complete the sentence. So there is no wrong answer.
when they've realized food trucks near the
Near the what place is it?
sports center
Okay, sports center where
were successful, he decided to buy one. Dave
okay,
managed to get money from a friend to help run the business.
okay. Is it just a friend? Okay. Dave managed to get money from a friend to start his business. Okay, well done. Next sentence. Dave changed.
Dave changed his mind about asking
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Asking
a person,
or a partner, a
a
business partner.
partner,
Yes, to help, to help run the business. Okay, Dave. Oops. We are now here. Number 4. Oh, are you thinking your answer, Miranda?
yes.
Yes, okay. I will give you some time to think about your answer. All right. Can we proceed? now in our reading? Hmm? Okay, can we proceed in our reading, Miranda? Okay, Dave says,
It says he had
difficulty
uh,
creating, difficulty creating,
creating
mhm. Okay,
a
so it is
plan.
a plan. Okay, very good. A plan a plan to, okay, let's continue to advertise.
Advertise his business.
Okay, Dave. Mhm. What Dave has to do in number 5? It says overnight. So Dave, what is your answer, Miranda? Dave sometimes
Dave sometimes has
to,
to
you can do it. Has
work
to,
in his truck overnight to get a good place to the business.
okay, or sleep. Okay, or to sleep in his truck overnight or work. It's also correct. Very good. Well done, Miranda. Okay, let's continue. Dave says
Dave says he sells
more.
more
So this is a specific food.
fast food.
Okay, what kind of food?
Fast food.
Okay, can you give me more specific fast food?
Fast food.
Mm-hmm. More specific, Miranda, because we already have food here. More specific, like for example, burgers. Dave says he sells more burgers. So burgers is a fast food. Sells more fast food. Okay, sells more burgers than any other type of food. So you will going to give me a specific name of food here. What else? Can you think when you said fast food? What kind of food? Or what? Sandwiches. Or, uh, so fast food, this is in general. And he is comparing it to any other type of food. So you have to drop or you have to fill in this blank with a specific name of food. Like burger. Okay? Okay, Miranda? All
Okay.
right. All right. Okay. So let's continue. At lunchtime. At lunchtime
At lunch
time.
time,
Mhm.
the
The majority
majority of Dave customers
are
are are most
are okay. It says that are blank and
are
students.
teachers. Teachers.
Okay. Or you can also say young professionals and students. It's also teachers. So in general, so we are here now. We are looking for in general um name like office staff and students, teachers and students. It is also correct. Teachers and student. But you says your answer in number one it is a sports center, right?
Yes.
Okay, sports center. Or what else? You can also add here like people who mostly visit sports centers are at athletes.
Athlete.
Yes, athletes, because your answer in number one is sports center. So at lunchtime, the majority of Dave's customers are athletes and students. But your answer is also correct. Teachers and students. There is no wrong answer. Okay, Miranda, let's um proceed. Let's continue our reading. Dave, particularly
Dave particularly likes driving to
to driving to. Okay, what place or what events is it? Driving to. You will going to answer it with a place or an event
driving
to.
to
A place or an event. Driving to what?
center or center. A center.
Are
Center.
driving to center or
Park.
yes, a
Park.
park to sell meals. All right. Okay, let's continue. To help
To help make
make
his
his
business
business
more
more
environmentally friendly. Dave
Dave uses mhm,
use things. Things.
uses. Okay, what is these things that we are using when we are selling food? Okay, what is this? It can be a what? Like it's a thing where you can put your food. What do you call it?
Bow.
Is it bowl?
Paper.
A paper what? Paper
Paper.
con. Okay, what do you call it? Like where we can store a food. Con container.
Container.
Yes. To help make his business more environmentally friendly, Dave uses container that can be recycled or cutlery like a spoon and fork. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
All right. So we are now in the And the last sentence, according to Dave. Okay, let's continue. According to Dave, according to Dave, let's continue our reading, Miranda.
Um, to
According,
help make the, according to Dave,
mhm,
the
the,
food
is it the food? Okay, according to Dave, the food in the food truck trade tend to be low. Is it food?
the temperature
Hmm? How about
temperature
okay, according to Dave, the temperature in the food truck. But is it okay, so there is a clue here. It is said trade. So when you say trade, it means what? Miranda, look at me. It means yes,
money
money. So what do you call money in business? What is this?
shape
Trade. Okay, trade. So what is the other word for this? Hmm?
money
Yes, money. So what is the other term in money in terms of business? What you can call this? It's a money that it's
poverty
okay. What is your answer?
poverty
Or
profit
yes, a profit. So when you are working or or you have business, the money that you are making from this business or from this work of yours, it calls profit. According to Dave, the profit and the food truck trade tend to be low. Okay. All right, Miranda?
all right
All right. Okay. Remember that. Profit is money. Okay?
okay
Okay. All right. So let's go back to activity 2. Let me just erase this all lines. Okay, so let's go back to activity 2. Okay, we have already answered question number 1. What kind of words probably goes after the, and you answered it, sports center. Okay, how about question number 2? What does the word near indicate? So what is the synonym of this word near? What does it mean? What's the meaning of the word indicate? In the of the word near. Sorry. Near. What it means, Miranda.
is near
Mm-hmm. What it means, near. What it means, near. Or in other word, it means what?
near too far
Where are you? Okay,
oh
open your camera. Okay, what is the meaning of near? Hmm? Near, it indicates right here. When they realized food truck near, okay, near you said, sports center were successful, he decided to buy one. So what is the meaning of near? Near. The word near indicates, okay, the word near indicates about, okay, what is this? About
Location.
or
Place.
yes, very good. Location or place. So near indicate location or place. Very good. Okay. Number two, what kind of information do you need for each questions 2 to 10? All right, so we have already done this because we have already answered the exam task. We have already completed this. Okay. Giving your opinion, Miranda. So just like what we did earlier, you will go in to give your opinion, like what you did in about street food buying meals in the food truck and takeaway meals. Okay, you will going to give your own opinion about Dave. Okay, so now that you have heard Dave talking about running a food truck, about his business, about this, okay, do you think it is a good job to have? Do you think it is a good choice for him? Use some of these expressions and give reasons. Okay, so you can just you will going to choose one expressions from this box. Like for example, actually I convinced that blank. You will going to complete this. Or in my opinion, so you will going to give your opinion. You will going to choose. Actually, I'm convinced that I say that, in my opinion, it seems to me, or personally, I think, well, my own feeling is that, what? Mm, okay. Would you like me to repeat again, Miranda?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So you now you have learned, you have heard about Dave talking about running a business, running a food truck business. Like here, Miranda. Do you think it is a good choice, a good job to have? Okay, a good choice for him. So you will going to use some of these expressions and give your reason. So you will going to give your opinion about Dave's food truck, about Dave's choice to buy food truck, to start his business. So what do you think about it? What is your opinion? Hmm? What is your opinion? Here. You will just going to choose. Okay, can you read this first? Actually,
Actually, I'm convinced that I'd say that, in my opinion, it seems to me, personally, I think, well, my own feeling is that.
okay. So these are example of expressions when we are expressing our own thoughts. Okay, when we are expressing our own opinion. So what? Okay. Let's start with this. In my opinion, and then you will going to tell me what is your opinion about Dave's choice, buying food truck. Is it
Uh,
a good choice? Is it a good job to
in
have?
my opinion, is this a good job?
Because
Because he can he can sell a lot of new food and drinks, which people would like it.
okay, which people surely like it. And it's also convenient. Okay. Are you okay, Miranda? All good?
Yes.
Yes. All right, Miranda, since we don't have much time, we will going to finish our lesson from here. Okay, we will going to continue this activity tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you again tomorrow. What time is our class tomorrow? Is it same time?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye, Miranda, and have a great day.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.